Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. I have my raincoat on and I am in the camper right now. We have had rain for like the last 5 days straight. The kids are already at school and I am on laundry duty at the moment. They had off on Friday because of Helene and it rained all weekend long. And if you guys have been following us since we moved up here, you know that my laundry area is outdoors. It is in our shed. We bought this shed for the purpose of me having a laundry space. And while it's much more convenient than going to a laundromat, which was a horrifying experience in and of itself, I appreciate having a laundry area on site here at the farm, and it works great. But I don't like it when it rains because you can't really go and wash clothes and then bring them back without getting them wet again. And it wasn't just like a drizzle, it was pouring. And I couldn't go out. I couldn't do any kind of laundry for the last 3 days. So of course our laundry accumulated, especially since I already had laundry from a day or two prior to us staying in that needed to be washed. So it's been fun, to say the least. I need to go ahead and hang some clothes. The baby is inside with Nelson right now. He is working at home, of course. And I got her some new toys, which were delivered this morning by Amazon. And one of them is a xylophone, but don't worry, I am not putting Nelson through that torture, especially during business hours. So she'll have to play with that later on. But she's happy that she's got something new to focus on, which helps me whenever I'm going around, getting stuff done around the property, like laundry. And also today is the first night in at least 3, maybe 4 weeks that I actually had a decent night's rest because she has not been sleeping through the night. She doesn't want to go to sleep at night. She stays up very late and she just fights her sleep. And then she wakes up several times throughout the night. And usually she wants to sleep with us. So I put her in the bed with us. But then she moves around so much that she keeps me awake. Last night was the first night, I'm telling you, since I can remember, that she has not done this. Which is why I don't look like a zombie this morning. And I have a little bit of energy. So I'm using it on laundry. I have to go to the house in a second after I'm done in here because I got to take some shots for a video. I thought I had some shots taken already of something that was done to the house for like a farmhouse update, but anyways, I have to go ahead and do that real quick. It's a little bit gloomy outside, but it just needs to get done today just because my schedule is so tight right now. I also have to sit down and I have to edit my Vlogtobers because it's crunch time now and I got to start editing them. And of course, you know that I have to start a few days earlier because I have to get, videos ready for like the 1st of October. So there's that. And then I've got to get a grocery order done so I can pick it up tomorrow because, again, since we've been indoors for the past several days, we've been cooking up a storm in the kitchen. I've just been using up what I have, which is a good thing. And normally I do cook every single day. I cook all the time here. That's one of the, I guess, benefits you can say of living away from, everything is that you don't have that easy access to the fast food and that convenience of just picking up something every day. So here it makes us use what we have. And that's a good thing. And I don't mind it. I actually do really like it. But then of course now I have to do a nice big order and I usually just do it Instacart and then I go pick it up because we live so far away that we can't get an order like delivered to us. So I have got to get that stuff done too. We are just, we have stuff, but it's going to get to the point where like, what can I do with a carrot and a potato and some peas kind of thing, We have a lot of meat because we bought a full cow not that long ago, and we shared some with my parents. But, as far as, like, potatoes and, like, the sides, that's what we need, and fruits and just fresh things like that. So, that's kind of where I'm at today. I'll bring you along, and hopefully it doesn't rain, and I'm looking outside the window, and I'm seeing it coming down again. Mind you, the forecast has said no rain today, and there was supposed to be no rain yesterday. Yet here we are. So I'm at the house right now, and I was able to get the shots that I needed. It stopped raining. There's been a little bit of sunlight, as you can see in the back. There's a nice breeze coming through. It's actually a lot cooler today. It's been a lot cooler the past several days. So that's been kind of nice, but at night it's gotten a little chilly and the kids are like, "Mom, it's cold." But, that just means that fall weather is here and we're just enjoying it. We're going to embrace it. All the flannel and all the coffee I can handle. Now I got to check on a couple of things, and I got to record something real quick, and then I'll head back and edit. All right, so I got the footage. I recorded the videos that I need to record, and I went and did a swaparoo in the laundry. I am now on my third load. I wish I would have been a little bit further along, but hey, it happens. Nelson's off to get the kids. I've got to put something to start for dinner. And right now, I am in the bathroom. I'm a little bit out of breath because I've been running around. He takes the baby sometimes so that I can focus on a few things around here while I don't have a baby to worry about sometimes because, she wants attention whenever I'm here alone with her. So if he can take her on the little ride to pick up the siblings, it helps. And then I can just focus and get like a million things done before they get back. So I am going to clean the bathroom really quick and then I'm going to get started on dinner. Bathroom is done, and by the way, this is actually really nice. It smells really good and we have really enjoyed having it here. So I need to get a towel holder because I have, in the entire time we've been here, I have just laid this down on here and I haven't gotten a towel holder, and I thought maybe I can put one in for the countertop, but I'm thinking right there might be better, just to attach it on the wall. So maybe tomorrow when I go shopping, I can find one so we can go ahead and install it and I can stop putting it right there. All right, so I'm in the camper for the final time this evening. I have washed 4 loads of laundry. I'm tired. But, the only thing I didn't get to do was the towels for the bathroom and the rugs and then the shower curtain. So I'll do that tomorrow. The bathroom is at least clean. I just have to, get all the textiles and just wash them. But I couldn't get to that because I was really hoping I can get through as much clothes as I could today. And that took 4 loads. So I'm glad that at least that's over. All the kids have as much clothes as they need for school for the rest of the week, which is good. And I'm just done for the day as far as laundry is concerned. Now I have to go back and clean up and make sure everybody has like their stuff ready for tomorrow and put everybody down and edit a video for tomorrow. So, Vlogtober is here. Um Obviously you guys are going to be seeing this later on. So Vlogtober has already been going on when you see this, but this is just the night before it all starts for me. And I have got to get, just started. It's actually not that bad to edit these videos. These are actually so much simpler than my regular DIY videos because it's basically just me talking to you and then I share, what goes on throughout the day. So editing them does not take as much. And honestly, I really do enjoy it. Vlogtober is actually something that I like to watch on other channels. It's kind of like you're tuning in, for the daily, intake and or update or whatever you want to call it. And it's just nice to just kind of see people as they are, just normal people living their life in whatever situation that they have at the time. Next year's of October will be totally different, and I can't wait for that because hopefully at that point we'll be in the house and things will look a lot different and hopefully a little bit easier. I'm sure it's going to be crazy. It's going to be a lot of stuff going on, but at least, like laundry will be done indoors and I don't have to go out in the elements for that. So, anyways, I am going to go ahead and sign off for the night because it's going to get crazy. I just know it. Getting everybody ready for tomorrow. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to sign off if I don't do it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off now. So I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you back here tomorrow.